Hi, and welcome to the Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0FI, and the pandemic is slowly coming to an end. And what do you do if you want to travel with your radio? Perhaps you want to go by plane, by train, or you just drive into a hotel room, but you don't have a lot of room in your car. Well, I thought about that and put together a compact travel kit based on my FT817. And perhaps you'll get some ideas, perhaps you have some suggestions for me of what I can do better. So hang on after intro and we'll take a look. As you probably remember from the video I did touring my shack, I don't have a lot of spare room on my desk, so I've cleaned it as good as possible here. And this is the case. It's actually a GoPro and accessory case that I got from eBay. It's about 30 by 20 by 9 centimeters here tall. So not really big considering what's inside. We'll open it up and see what's inside here. And flip it open. And starting with the radio, I got my FT817. It does have a built-in battery, so I really don't need a battery in the case, but I got a battery for it anyway. I got about 5 meters of RJ58 here. And the LB6CI antenna that I've tested in an earlier video. I'm really happy with this antenna. I can really recommend it. It's an end-fed half-wave cut for 40, so it's resonant on 40, 20, 15, and 10 meters. And should I need a tuner, I have this Elecraft T1. It is a resonant antenna, so I probably don't need it, but it does take up a lot of room and it's battery powered, so I'm taking it with me anyway. Then I have this battery. It is, according to the label here, and I'll try to get the camera to focus. It is a 10 amp hour battery, although I assume that is in 5 volts, so I still haven't done the calculation on what that is in 12 volts. But according to my test that I did yesterday on it, it should last me about 4 hours. For 2 meters, 70 centimeters, and 6 meters, I got the supplied Yaesu whip, which I can attach to the front of the radio or the back to get the VHF and UHF bands. And further on down here, I got this little bag. We'll just take everything and just empty it out here and see what's here. I have the EC5 to power pole adapter for the small battery. I have an angled B and C connector for the VHF UHF antenna. I got a barrel connector if I would need to just lengthen the RJ58 cable. The microphone for the FT817. Control cable for the tuner. And power and charge cable for the 817. In addition to all that, I got one more thing in this case. And that's this, the neck strap. Just if I want to carry the radio around as a handy talkie. So that's pretty much my travel kit for the 817. So thank you for watching, and what did you think about the travel kit? Is it working? Is it too big, too small? Anything I could have done differently? Put it in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And while you're doing that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back soon. 7-3.